AMOLED display that looks very good. It has a Full HD Plus resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 90Hz refresh rate, and a claimed peak brightness rating of up to 700 nits. The phone comes with a 4300 mAh battery capacity, which was enough to get us through the day with mixed usage, including watching content online, calling, and even playing some games. This phone is stacked with a 64 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel camera, and another 2 megapixel camera on the rear, and a 32 megapixel front camera for all the images and videos. Its extensive camera features come in handy whenever we wanted to shoot something like a night shot or time lapse along with all the other features.
Heavy multitasking easily. This smartphone also supports RAM expansion. All your storage requirements are taken care of by 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone supports 5G connectivity. The Oppo Reno6 5G flaunts a 6.43 inches Full HD Plus resolution AMOLED display. The 90Hz refresh rate provides smooth transitions. The smartphone features a triple rear camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel camera, and 2 megapixel camera. The camera setup allows you to take high-quality photos. With the flash snapshot powered by Oppo exclusive image clear engine and color temperature sensor, the smartphone can automatically focus as soon as you kickstart the camera. You can take beautiful selfies using the 32 megapixel front camera. The smartphone runs on Android 11 OS. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor, this Oppo smartphone provides a smooth usage and visually stunning gaming experience. The 4300 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery ensures that your smartphone offers long-lasting usage. The box includes handset, charger, USB cable, earphone, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide and safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.